Said then who ni pakra no more yesa. And I say your me wo NDC for now for us or regional chairman in this uncle for. Bra. The next day which is 29th. And I'm here NDC penimu pa baako. E wo Dunkwa. Meti ne ka mu no call all ye ne say. And I got am say ne dia friend ye ba be ye ne kese. Na baby bia o mo beti say e ho no mu sika pie no. O mo be kwa akosuo. Enti call ni mu no e no make a statement say Endra e ball 11 kana me boys ni gina ofin ni mfimfini. Na baby a say a ofin mo didi ma na dun. Me o say akaka kra bi no mo cha ofin no. Boss, me yam share me. Na that means anajo na me kwa me ma me ho chechiro na machine ni si ensuo ni mu no. Na ye ono ne boys na na boss. Penimu pa wo ga na ha wo. Ofri Dunkwa minim baby a ne feel woko Dunkwa abonte na boss enjuma ne tese ayi papa na ye wo Dunkwa penimu pa papa penim e na ono wate onya ho afa ne boys akogu ofin ni mfimfini a wo mo ye adwuma. What I'm saying is bra afa no mo be ye ne kese because May 29 from it NDC penimu pa ba ko kem oye chairman for yi bi mitimi fa ne din to dwa wa ha penimu pa ba ko ekem asama papa no eka e wo ka ni mo ye call asama wo ka no say sisi ada je say yante se scape ha no mo baby e beti se scape bia na be my boys ni the machine akọ mo ka enko baby a and he was like omutu aba ni wie ye na I think say ase omu the soldiers for call site e kokọ pamo omo ye galam say nti so omu du ho na so omu busa na say wo ye NDC ni a no mo jaro. And according to the statement na no wo making no actually say soldiers for no call ne boys in so site ho no mo omo busae e na obodin say the boys no boarding say nipa sumasi e na suma ye say enya adwuma wa omo che phone anadwo be ye 1 o'clock no e friend e ma ne pick call ka kire wo mo say e yo ne suma wo na soldiers for no sai wo mo chi e no mo back it's like I'm saying ne boss men can not doubt. I feel they will move by any case. By one thing is, one step next thing is, they think so more yeah new. But someone miss a sub you in Chirimana, you're watching. And you're better. Me, Udu Dunkwa Chira. Me fee any no fee. First, need to be work with Jaro or fame. And so when they open or fin and shall be. And they want to mean call fame. Who mistake will be. O my dream is so more yeah new. But someone must say, Chimana, why a chino. And no more yen. Abroad ye, omu dipa. And I can say no so day. Boss, omu dining dining. Because what's ye penimony statement now will make na. What we MPP nya na say galamsey site in omo ba. Mo pese NDC for nkwa na nkonka galamsey site na. E wo ho no mo nyina. Tibra, galamsey ne de. Menya sure say the president himself no. Obetumi akunu ti galamsey no because ne mpanyifo no mo ye adwuma. Wo man na galamsey site no mo ye adwuma. Me mpanyifo no mo bu o man no. Sam mpanyifo no e na galamsey site na. And metumi do and I make say ehun hia say me do obi din betu dwa wa ha no because minim sam mpanyifo no mo boss abra ne nyina. Like eh yawo. Me say 27 no ofin of uko Dunkwa chechiro so obi onim chechiro bi yanim ofin na machine si ano mo ye adwuma 29 me share pen na sama na o take ma no that is ono ne boys na ye adwuma wo fin aden was mami nja na for no
Oh, yeah. So, like, yeah, I went for a couple of minutes. So, like we were saying, like, Mami D just said right now. Remember last time I was telling you that there are people abroad here who are having meeting with an NDC, and they were financiers of the elections, and so they have been also been promised mining sites and stuff that they will give to them, so that so more people are coming because they borrowed from people contributed, and they have to pay them. So they are going to sacrifice the country's resources and the health of the people our drinking water for their elections. I feel at this moment, I feel very, very sorry and sad for President Mahama. I feel very sorry for him and very sad. You see, like Honorable Afeno Markins was saying, and you even said it, that these kind of people that you are creating, what you're putting into the heads of your followers, that our security forces don't matter. You belittle them, you make them useless in the sight of your followers, and they become lawless. There is nothing you can do that will cause them to bow down to any security. As we speak right now in Ghana, the NDC and their supporters, they have been so much emboldened that our military, our police, our navy, they have no respect for them. They see them as nothing. They would rather respect their internal security, Basintali and Co, than to respect our security forces who are supposed to do their jobs. And this is the handiwork of John Mahama, right? And this is the way rebels and terrorists are created in countries. If we don't know, when you try to fight against them, they form rebel groups because you have armed them and you have emboldened them. And this is very sad. And this is where John Dramani Mahama, unfortunately, is directing our country towards. The country that Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo for the past 8 years have held, and Ghana, they have held the security of Ghana such that every citizen felt so much secured. We have foreigners coming in to settle in our country, Nigerians telling us that come to Ghana and see the security in Ghana. It is top notch. You are free to move everywhere. The police were so the police were so strong, they would come at you and people would obey them. Look at where our police was up to. And if as for the military, don't even talk about them. They wouldn't come out because they are to civilian level. And everybody upheld them. But as we speak now, our police, our military are nothing to write home about. This is a dangerous thing that we are treading on right now in our country. So John Mahama, and I don't know whether right now, he promised 24-hour economy, right? But now the behavior of NDC supporters has turned to that. It has become the 24 hours thing has, instead of one job for three shifts for 3 people, it has become one job, kick out the one person that is on the job and replace with an NDC person. That is what it has become, which is indicating that you will not be able to. You have shown us that you are so incompetent. You will not be able to create those jobs. So you want to kick people field. The same old people that he has clamped around himself are the same people who have come around him and they will cause him to fail. So nobody is here to wish him bad luck, but we can see with our eyes and we can see into the future that he is setting himself up for total failure. He has shown in the first few days of office that he's incompetent and is so scary, and that he's, like I always say, Tibonkoso, he has nothing in his head to let our country move forward. So it's so sad, voice. It's so sad and it's so scary. And those of us abroad, we are not passionate because we have seen where Nanadu put the country. We have seen top-notch governance. We have seen top-notch development. And we are seeing everything being down the drain.
Adie mope, it mo yese ne mompe. Mo paye. But mo yese ne mompe. Na onu mi so do nsa benkum kire wo ma mfi na de aka no so. Kire wo so na ye nyina ye wa ha Ghana ye hwe. Du so ne de mu bedam a computer ma ye beba. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Ese mu dem for 4 years into ni ma ho. My uncle pay shop bi. Na me starting for generators embra, right? Omo ma ye business, ye do ma say. Yeah. Na ye starting yes business no. Na MPP NDC for omo amba ye hwe ya ma yen yo. Omo bedi ya bro ni beye. Untumi mbu man, untumi ya usimetimi aye, untumi ya usimetimi aye, untumi ya usimetimi aye. Sesi a wona wo chewe. Wona wo yeah, it's annoying, but for 4 years is just around the corner. Definitely, a beba.